People love this wave of gorgeous purple confections appearing in social media feeds around the world. From donuts to macarons, it seems like every sweet treat is better when it's purple. I have to agree. Which ingredient gives these delicacies their vibrant hue? Is it artificial food dye? Is it taro root? Or is it ube? Keep watching to get lost in the purple haze. While these vivid violet pastries look like something out of a cartoon,
It's done.
they are real and delicious.
Yeah, this is so worth it.
And though there is one particular ingredient that gives them their distinctive color, it's not artificial food dye. Purple sweets have long existed in Asian cuisine. Take boba milk tea, for instance. That creamy Taiwanese beverage features large tapioca pearls made from cassava. One of the most popular boba flavors is taro, a tuber cultivated in Southeast Asia and India. It has an earthy brown skin like a potato and white lilac speckled flesh. While taro does stain foods and drinks purple, it's not the vegetable responsible for the eye-catching Instagram trend we're talking about today. That leaves us with one option. Ube is a tuber native to the Philippines, an archipelago of more than 7,100 islands. Ube is also called purple yam and is related to the sweet potato. Unlike its tan and orange cousin, ube has brownish maroon skin and deep purple flesh. Some people compare its mild, vanilla-like flavor and nutty notes to pistachios.
So good.
But ube is truly unique. Its tasty flavor profile makes it ideal for use in pastries and desserts. If you're not familiar with Filipino cuisine, ube gained popularity on social media in recent years. In 2016, a New York restaurant called Manila Social Club featured donuts topped with a vibrant purple frosting. Ube quickly became a culinary darling as Instagram feeds got inundated with its purple majesty.
He is quite a catch, isn't he?
Now, chefs use this yam in all kinds of treats, like macarons, brownies, and croissants. But like ingredients in many westernized food trends, ube has been around for a long time. Archaeological findings in the Philippines show that Filipinos have eaten this tuber for at least 11,000 years. That's a lot of purple food. The first Tagalog and Spanish-Filipino dictionary, published in 1613, mentions ube as a variety of sweet potato. Ube has long been a staple crop in the Philippines and other parts of Southeast Asia. It's primarily grown at small farms in regions like southern Tagalog, central Visayas, and northern Mindanao. Farmers usually plant ube between March and May, before the monsoon season. When the vines begin growing, the farmers carefully trim them. If left unchecked, the vines can grow over 20 centimeters every day and overtake other crops and vegetation. It takes about 11 months for the tubers to sprout. November to February is the usual harvest season. Packing them in banana leaves prevents bruising. Then they're sent to markets. Unfortunately, their rise in popularity has put a strain on ube farmers across Asia. Visit any Goldilocks, a popular Filipino restaurant and bakery chain, and you'll see the shelves lined with an array of purple confections ranging from bread to birthday cake.
Thank you for a wonderful birthday surprise.
Ube is common in many Filipino kitchens. It's the key ingredient in traditional desserts like ube puto, a steamed rice flour cake, and the beloved ice cream concoction, halo-halo, which means mix-mix in Tagalog.
Ice cream!
The first recipe for ube ice cream appeared in 1922. All it requires is ube puree, milk, and sugar. The result is a decadent frozen delight that lets the distinct flavor of the ube shine. Ube halaya is another simple creation. To prepare it, boil and mash the tubers, then stir in sugar, evaporated milk, and butter. Instead of evaporated milk, you could use sweetened condensed or coconut milk. You can eat the thick paste or incorporate it into other Filipino confections like pie.
Oh, you can't help that.
While most Asian and Filipino markets carry canned, jarred, or frozen ube, it is difficult to find it fresh in North America. So if you happen upon some, you should probably take it as a sign
Oh my gosh.
and give it a try. If ube entices you, you might enjoy cassava, another type of tuber used for sweet confections. Learn all about this root and how to prepare it safely on another episode of Origins of Food.